How to fix filters option not showing on WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix filters option not showing on WhatsApp video call. If you're having trouble with the filters option not appearing during WhatsApp video calls, here are several ways to fix it. First, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see the option to open, it means your app is up to date. If you see update, click on it to update your app. Once your app is updated, go to your device settings. Scroll down until you find the apps option and tap on it. Look for the WhatsApp in the list and under the usage section, select storage and then clear the cache. Next, return to the app info page and tap on Set as Default. Make sure to toggle this option off. In the bottom right corner, you will see the force stop option and tap on it and confirm by selecting OK. After completing these steps, restart your device. This should resolve the issue with the filters not showing. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and we will see you in our next video.